Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Gordon Ramsay's guacamole. We'll begin by selecting perfectly ripe avocados, ensuring a rich, creamy base for our dip. Next, we'll prepare the fresh lime juice, which is absolutely vital for both its vibrant flavor and to keep our guacamole looking fresh and green. Then, we'll finely dice some red onion to add a delightful, sharp crunch. And finally, we'll introduce a hint of heat with a carefully chosen chili. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, carefully halve and pit 3 ripe avocados, scooping out all that beautiful green flesh into a bowl. Next, we'll finely chop 1 small red onion and 1 red chili, making sure the pieces are very small for even distribution. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic to infuse our guacamole with a wonderful aroma. Finally, roughly chop a generous handful of fresh cilantro leaves, adding a burst of herbaceous freshness. Precision in preparation makes all the difference. With all our ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. Start by mashing the avocado flesh in a bowl to your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others smoother. Then, gently fold in the finely chopped red onion, chili, minced garlic, and fresh cilantro. Now, for the crucial seasoning, add a generous pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lime, mixing everything until perfectly combined. Taste and adjust as needed for that perfect balance. Your delicious Gordon Ramsay-inspired guacamole is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately with warm, crispy tortilla chips. You can also garnish it with a few extra cilantro leaves or a fresh lime wedge for a beautiful presentation. This versatile dip is fantastic on its own, as a spread in sandwiches, or as a topping for your favorite tacos and burritos. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with a piece of plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to keep it fresh. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.